Hello friends, welcome to my channel Future Next Gen Learning. Today I am going to demonstrate how to add brand or marketing videos if there is a requirement from the business that they want to have corporate announcements, corporate videos, corporate messages, or they want their brand, their promotion, their offerings. They can achieve this requirement. We have features called the announcement where HR team can publish the corporate videos. Let's go. So to achieve the requirement, you have to go to the navigator. Under the navigator, you have to go to the announcement. Under the announcement, you can add. So just I added the Fusion Next Gen Learning. So how to add that I will also show you. So you have to add the subject. So what is this announcement and this videos or this message? So you have to type the subject. You have to type the start date when you want to publish it. Then you can put the category as a user defined category and you can put what is about the description. Then visual set to yes, don't set the image. Now the message, the coding must be like that only. Only thing is that you have to complete add this code and then you have to in this column you have to add your YouTube videos. So let's move and see how to get the video link from the YouTube and add into this code. Don't need to change anything except the HTTPS, which will remain same. Only the last value you have to update it over here. So let's move. So you can see the channel, the one of the YouTube video. Just click on right click and copy video URL. After that, you just open the notepad, paste it. You can see after HTTPS colon forward slash u2.be forward slash vs hyphen hdn ortog. So you have to copy this and go to the announcement and change this. Once you change this, after that no need to change anything. Just click on save and close and go to the home. Once you reach to the home page, scroll down, you can see the message or the image will be appear over here. You can see the corporate message. Let's suppose I added the Fusion Next Gen Learning, so it appear. You just need to click on that and scroll to the down. Once user scroll to the down, they can see what is the message, the corporate message, marketing promotion, and they can directly play and they can see their corporate messages, their videos, their offers. So this is how you can achieve this requirement. You can also publish the messages as well. Same way you can achieve this. Now click on done. Next, go to the navigator. Under the navigator, you can go to the announcement. So go to the tools and reach out to the announcement. Once you redirect to the announcement area, you can create and then add welcome. You can add image, you can add the categories as well. You can add your images. So how you can add the, click on file, you can upload any kind of image that you can do. You can put the URL, then category, it's article, event, inside, or user defined. So once you click on the user defined, you can set welcome, and then you can write your message. So like that, you can add message from the corporate, from the HR side, you can add it, and then save and close. Once you done with that, go to the home page, and you can see it will be available for all the users. So you can see welcome. Once user click on the message, they can see the message, whatever message, it's a public holiday or from the HR side, any announcement, any festival message they can publish. Thank you. Thank you for watching my channel, Fusion Next Gen Learning. Keep subscribing, hit the bell icon to get more informative videos.